Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So now that we have the concrete all poured, the next step is to start the framing. So let me show you how we went about getting it laid out and starting it up off the slab. Okay, so the first wall we're going to start to frame is this end wall, and cut the 2x4s to length. So the bottom plate is pressure treated. So we snap the line at 4 inches, and that keeps the 2x4 a ½ inch off the edge, so when we put the sheathing on the side, it'll be flush up and then the siding will hang over. So we're going to put this material underneath the bottom plate. So we've got a pressure treated bottom, and we've got this barrier for moisture, if there is any moisture, to prevent it from soaking up into the bottom of the bottom plate. So let's get this laid out. We also have to lay out these bolts. So what we're going to do is we'll measure off here to center, which looks like about 1 3/8. So then you just set this over here and mark 1 3/8 to center, and that's how you lay out your anchor bolts. I had to separate it right here where the vent drain pipe is, so I added a board on the back of it to hold it in place. So we got it all laid out and it's ready to go. All we have to do is separate it and put the studs in.
So hon, how come you're not using the gun?
So you got to use galvanized nails, and I don't have any galvanized nails for my gun. Huh. Okay, so these are the jacks or trimmer studs for the rough opening for the door and or window. So these are 81 inches long, because the rough opening for the door is 82.5 height. So what I usually do, this is kind of a pro tip, is when you're putting your trimmer studs on the side of your regular studs, if they crown opposite each other, that's good, because that way when you put them together, one's crowning the opposite the other one, they straighten each other out. Okay, for the headers, we're putting a ½ inch foam in between, 2x8, and sandwiching it in there. we got 3 walls framed up. The only one left is this front wall. This is the front entrance door in. Okay, so we got all the outside walls framed up. We got 2 interior walls we have to do, and I've started the layout. So this is the doorway into the restroom or bathroom. And it's got a vent, it's got the power, it's got the Uber round rod coming up out of there. So it's pretty chopped up, but we're going to get it all nailed together. We got the last interior wall framed up. We're getting ready to stand it up. Okay, quick little update on the progress. All the framing is done on the lower level. This is what we're going to call the main entrance. This is going to be the kitchenette, or this is going to be a counter space with a sink. This will be the bathroom. Toilet, sink, shower, and this is just the what we're going to use as our bedroom. I'm toenail screwing a 2x8 to the band, so the ceiling is going to have a 2x8 on 24-inch center, and part of the reason we did that was to raise this outer wall so we can have a shed roof come off underneath the overhang from the building roof. Okay, so that wraps up the wall framing. We got the rafters in yesterday. Coming up next is going to be the roof framing, the sheathing, and hopefully get this thing dried in. So until next time, take care, God bless, and I'll see you later.